A tutorial for Redemption Song by Bob Marley. The little intro or lick is going to be in a link in the description below. This is just going to be a straightforward lesson, hopefully. The chords are G, C, E minor, C/B. If you don't want to play a C/B, I suggest this little chord, which I forget the name of. So there's your C chord. Lift your ring finger off and lift your lift your second finger up to the 5th string. That will do the job instead of a C/B. You play what you prefer. And the next chord is an A minor. Next chord is a D. Strum pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Doing that strum pattern on occasions, you'll be switching chords, which is tricky. So it'll take a lot of practice that. So hopefully you guys can master that. With plenty of practice, you certainly can. So the first part, we'll start off in the G, going to an E minor, to a C, to a C/B, or the little funky one, whatever you prefer. A minor, and that repeats 3 times, and then it changes to when it comes to the word triumphantly. Okay, so we'll go through it fairly slow and try and call out the chord and lyrics, and hopefully you guys can see okay and enjoy it. So here we go. Oh, pirates, yes, they rob mine. CB. So to the merchant ships with the A minor. Same chords. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pits. A minor. But my hand was E minor. It's strong. CB. By the hand of the Almighty. A minor, G, E minor, C. Forward this generation. C, D. Triumphantly. G, C, D. Won't you help to sing these songs of G, freedom. C, D, E minor. 'Cause all I ever have. C, D. Redemption, G in songs. C, D, G. Redemption songs. D, back to G. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. E minor. None but our C can be free your minds. A minor. G, E minor. Have no fear for atomic energy. C, B, A minor. 'Cause none of them can stop the time. G, E minor. How long shall they kill our prophets? See why we stand beside. A minor. And look, G, E minor. Yes, some say it's just a part of it. C, D. We've got to fulfill the book. And the main part again. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? C, D, E minor, C. Is all I ever. C, D, G. Redemption songs. C, D, G. Redemption songs. Little solo. C, D, E minor. C, D, E minor. Same again. 4 times. G. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. E minor. None but ourselves can free our minds. Same stuff over again. Have no fear for atomic. E minor. C, B, A minor. 'Cause none of them can stop the time. G, E minor. How long Telecula prophets, while we see stand aside and A minor. Look, yes, some say it's just an E minor. We've got to fulfill the book. D. Won't you help to G sing? C, D. These songs of freedom is all I ever have. Redemption songs. These songs of freedom. These songs of freedom. And that's really it, guys. Apologies for the late notice on the little solo, but I've added in a little chord or two here to make it easier when you're coming in to emancipate yourself from mental slavery. But hopefully it's not the original, but it will get you through the song. And once you do master the song, do work on the intro. As I say, it's in the description below, and put it all together. I will walk you through it all, don't worry, so you'll get through it, guys. Thank you so much again for your support, and get in touch, and hopefully I can help you guys out. Take it easy, and I'll chat to you soon, guys. All the best.